You got to keep unpeeling.
Can I also
All
ask you
right.
if you think that posting and let's say making these questionnaires in LinkedIn is a good idea? Because I mean, honestly, I
Yeah.
have yeah, I have so many like friends and connects there, but I never posted anything. I don't know why, but I always just used it as a for my applications for jobs. But maybe it's a good idea to
Mhm.
start posting there. Like I see many people, many people are posting these questionnaires, like many brands,
Mhm.
and like yeah, and I think it's working well because. The engagement they get is pretty good. Like a lot of yeah, a lot of people are voting.
Yeah, any type of social media. LinkedIn is more professional, but they're still fashion designers, fashion illustrators. I mean, I have ads from Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Tiffany's, like that just get floated because they pay for ads. But any type of social media, wherever your people are, and you get the most engagement, go for it and keep collecting data. There's no to anything. Like if Twitter is your platform, go for it. If Pinterest is your platform, go for it. If YouTube is, go for it. Keep asking the questions and see what sticks, and when it starts sticking, go for it. Have you purchased your brainstorm session tickets? In this group brainstorm session by Immerse Type, it's designated for fashion designers to flush out any ideas you have or wondering about regarding your ideal customers. Be sure to purchase your tickets down below in the description. Can't wait to see you there.